What did the farmer like? किसान को क्या पसंद आया? Answer is fruits, फल.
What did the farmer decide to grow? किसान ने क्या उगाने का फैसला किया? Answer is fruits, फल.
Where did the farmer grow grapes and watermelons? किसान अंगूर और तरबूज कहाँ उगाता था? Answer is in a corner, एक कोने में.
Who did the farmer decide to gift the best fruit to? किसान ने सबसे अच्छा फल किसे उपहार में देने का फैसला किया? Answer is the king, राजा.
What were the best fruits on the farm that year? उस साल खेत में सबसे अच्छे फल कौन से थे? Answer is watermelons, तरबूज.
Why did the farmer choose to take grapes instead of watermelons? किसान ने तरबूज की जगह अंगूर क्यों चुना? Answer is grapes are lighter, अंगूर हल्के होते हैं.
Where did the palace guard take the farmer? महल के रक्षक किसान को कहाँ ले गए? Answer is royal garden, शाही बगीचा.
What was the king doing when the farmer arrived? जब किसान आया तो राजा क्या कर रहा था? Answer is playing, खेलना.
What did the farmer do with the basket of grapes? किसान ने अंगूर की टोकरी का क्या किया? Answer is kept it in front of him. उसे अपने सामने रख लिया.
What did the king do with the grapes first? राजा ने अंगूरों के साथ सबसे पहले क्या किया? Answer is ate them. उन्हें खा लिया.
What did the king do playfully? राजा ने खेल खेल में क्या किया? Answer is threw grapes. अंगूरों को फेंका.
What did the farmer say when hit by the grape? अंगूर से टकराने पर किसान ने क्या कहा? Answer is thank God.
Why did the king ask the farmer about thanking God? राजा ने किसान से भगवान को धन्यवाद देने के बारे में क्यों पूछा? Answer is the farmer smiled. किसान मुस्कुराया.
What would have happened if the farmer brought watermelons? अगर किसान तरबूज लेकर आता तो क्या होता? Answer is serious injury, गंभीर चोट.
What was the wise farmer's conclusion? बुद्धिमान किसान का निष्कर्ष क्या था? Answer is God is great. भगवान महान है.
Fill in the blanks. The farmer decided to grow blank on his land. Answer is fruits.
The farmer worked hard to grow a variety of blank. Answer is fruits.
The farmer took special care to grow blank and watermelons. Answer is grapes.
The farmer decided to gift the best fruit to the blank. Answer is king.
The farmer's wife suggested that the best fruits were the watermelons and the blank. Answer is grapes.
The farmer chose to take blank because watermelons were too heavy. Answer is grapes.
The farmer put bunches of grapes in a blank and walked to the king's palace. Answer is basket.
The farmer told the palace guard that he had brought a blank for the king. Answer is gift.
The palace guard took the farmer to the royal blank. Answer is garden.
The king was playing with the blank when the farmer arrived. Answer is princess.
The guard pointed to the farmer and told the king that the blank were a gift from the farmer. Answer is grapes.
The king took a bunch of grapes from the blank. Answer is basket.
The king plucked another grape and threw it at the blank. Answer is farmer.
The farmer thanked blank when the grape hit his forehead. Answer is God.
The wise farmer concluded that blank is great. Answer is God.
Give the answers in true or false. The farmer liked flowers. किसान को फूल पसंद थे. Answer is false.
The farmer decided to grow fruits on his land. किसान ने अपनी जमीन पर फल उगाने का फैसला किया. Answer is true.
The farmer took special care to grow apples and watermelons. किसान सेब और तरबूज उगाने में विशेष ध्यान रखता था. Answer is false.
The farmer's wife suggested that the best fruits were the watermelons and grapes. किसान की पत्नी ने सुझाव दिया कि सबसे अच्छे फल तरबूज और अंगूर हैं. Answer is true.
The farmer chose to take the watermelons to the king. किसान ने तरबूजों को राजा के पास ले जाने का फैसला किया. Answer is false.
The farmer put bunches of grapes in a basket and walked to the king's palace. किसान ने अंगूर के गुच्छे एक टोकरी में रखे और राजा के महल की ओर चल दिया. Answer is true.
The palace guard refused to let the farmer enter. महल के रक्षक ने किसान को अंदर जाने से मना कर दिया. Answer is false.
The farmer saw the king playing with the princess in the royal garden. किसान ने राजा को राजकुमारी के साथ शाही बगीचे में खेलते देखा. Answer is true.
The farmer placed the basket of grapes in front of the king. किसान ने अंगूरों की टोकरी राजा के सामने रख दी. Answer is true.
The king was angry when he saw the grapes. राजा को अंगूर देखकर गुस्सा आया. Answer is false.
The king threw a grape playfully at the farmer. राजा ने खेल खेल में किसान की ओर एक अंगूर फेंका. Answer is true.
The farmer was upset when the king threw grapes at him. राजा ने जब किसान पर अंगूर फेंके तो वह परेशान हो गया. Answer is false.
The farmer thanked God when the grape hit his forehead. जब अंगूर उसके माथे पर लगा तो किसान ने भगवान को धन्यवाद दिया. Answer is true.
The farmer had grown the best grapes and apples on his farm. किसान ने अपने खेत में बेहतरीन अंगूर और सेब उगाए थे. Answer is false.
The king understood why the farmer was thankful. राजा को समझ में आ गया कि किसान क्यों आभारी है. Answer is true.